Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Discover It Cashback Credit Card. This is a highly recognized rewards card that has no annual fee and is accepted by 99% of places across the United States. With this card, you can earn up to 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter. This includes grocery stores, gyms, gas stations, Target, restaurants, and Amazon. Purchases made using PayPal also qualify for this cashback offer. Discover does cap this at a maximum of $1,500 per quarter. Cardholders will automatically earn 1% cash back on all other purchases. As a sign-on bonus, Discover will double any cashback rewards earned during your first year, and there's no cap to this. These rewards never expire, so you can redeem them anytime for any amount. You can deposit cash directly into your bank account. You can apply it towards your credit card balance, or you can use your rewards at checkout on Amazon and PayPal. When you sign up for your Discover It credit card, you can select from 25 colorful designs. After your account has been opened, you gain access to over 100 plus more unique designs. Currently, Discover is offering a generous referral bonus if you refer a friend. If they sign up for this credit card or select others, you both earn $100 each. This bonus is applied towards your card statement. With a Discover account, you can request a free FICO credit score at any time without affecting your credit. If your credit card is ever lost or stolen, you can freeze your account using the mobile app or website to prevent fraudulent purchases, transfers, or cash advances. On top of that, Discover will overnight you a replacement card free of charge. With their $0 fraud liability policy, Discover doesn't consider you responsible for any unauthorized transactions on your card. As a cardholder, you also gain access to Discover's Identity Alerts, which is a free service that will alert you if your social security number is ever found on the dark web, protecting you from identity theft. If you ever need help, you can contact Discover's 24/7 customer service line. Before applying for this card, it's recommended that you have a good to excellent credit score, which can range from 670 to 850. As a new Discover It cashback cardholder, you can expect an intro APR of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 18 months. After the intro period is over, your APR will be adjusted and ranges from 11.99% to 22.99% variable, while APR for cash advances is currently 24.99% variable. As mentioned previously, there are no annual fees for Discover's cashback card, and there's also no penalty fee for the first time you make a late payment. For any late payments after, Discover charges up to $40. For balance transfers, there is a 3% intro fee and up to 5% on future balance transfers. Cash advance fees are either $10 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. Overall, the Discover It cashback card is perfect for anyone looking for a way to earn favorable bonus rewards without paying an annual fee. If you're interested in learning more about this credit card, we will have a link in the description below to Discover's website. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more credit card reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.